Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay, happy birthday, girl.
Okay, blow.
Okay, play a candle. Yay, happy birthday. Okay, okay. Kumain ka na.
Hindi mo tikman yung cake niya? Kaya na din niya. Wala tayong pan. Ay, wala ka doon. Good. Basta tayo. Dapat, ano yung tingin na kayo? Hindi talaga yung cake niya.
Kaya tagal nila, diba sabi ko hindi sila? Kasi nakahanap sila ng pagbuhay. Wala.
Layo na.
Ay, hindi na kayo papasok. Papasok ka training. Papasok ka ba? Sorry, pero nyo. Pagtuwa sa hindi ko pasok.
Ha? Wala to. Yan lang yung followers naman yan. 18K yan.
Wow, 18K.
Alam niyo sa YouTube, pag nagka-follower ka na 1,000, kasi saya mo na. Kasi ang hirap nakakuha ng followers na ganun sa YouTube. Tapos sila, thousands na yung followers nila.
Yes na kami. Parang yung ano, yung nagsimula yung The Mitch, diba?
Yes. Yung puro kalokohan ng dalawa na yun. And eventually, nagka-cancer.
Hindi na
Nagka-cancer yung lalaki.
namatay.
May cancer siya. Nalaman na lang na may cancer siya, 4th stage na. Lung cancer.
At namatay siya. Kasi mga alok.
Sila, the best talaga. Alam, puro kalokohan, tapos effortless.
Init naman here.
Ito, R11, dito ako Disco. Kasi sino kasama mo?
DJ na, na Singaporean pero Philippines.
So, andito tayo sa garden. Garden daw ito, guys. Garden ng Somerset. Kitang-kita yung ano. Hotel Grand Central. Ano yun? Parang may umuulan ng init, guys. Oh my God. So init. Ay, ang ganda. May swimming pool doon, oh. Ayan po ang kabuuhan ng Singapore. Dito po kami sa pinakamataas. Ayan po. Ayan po. Ang init. Ayan, umaambon-ambon siya. Doon bandang ambon. Ayan sila, oh. Shout out. Kita nyo yun, umuulan doon banda. Tingnan natin kung ano ang meron dito sa garden. Ay, ganda yung Hotel Grand Central. Pumunta tayo sa Hotel Grand Central. Ayun, o. Ganda sa taas. Ganda. Ano kaya yan? Kasi yung doon sa taas. Siguro ano rin yan, hotel. Umuulan na! Oh my God! Ganda naman dito. Ayan sila, oh guys. Yung mga magaganda kong kasama. Ay, okay. Umulan.
Hindi ko alam ba't kasi ang bukol-bukol itong bako, hindi ko hanap yun. Ba't ka kasi nagkakaroon ng mga ano ba? Natakpan mo na kita dyan.
Look at the hotel here. Asan kaya yung bahay namin dyan? Saan kaya banda yun? Hindi, iba dun eh. Banda. Dito kami sa 11th floor ng Somerset na mall.
May powder ka? May powder ka?
Face powder, meron.
Ang tagal naman ng... na-selfie na yan, yung TikTok mo.
Hello guys, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to everyone for all the birthday wishes. It means a lot to me. I am truly touched by your sheer number of messages. It was nice to hear from so many people yesterday. Thanks for making me feel special on my birthday. Thank you for all your birthday greetings. Yes, another long year and another number added to my age. But it's still great to hear from all of you, from all of my favorite people on earth. Thank you also especially to my Sid Dongo for her effort to sending flowers and cakes. Thank you so much, Dongo. I truly appreciate it. I was overwhelmed by receiving so much attention and love for my birthday, and would like to thank to every one of us for kind greetings and blessings. I'm sure that with all these wishes, it will become a great year. To everyone who wished me a happy birthday, thank you so much. Thank you for my birthday wishes. It's definitely been a birthday to remember. Thank you very much. Ayan, wala na akong masasabi pa. I am flying. Thank you. Kisses in the air. Mwah. Bye.